In this video, I will show you how to pay on Amazon with a gift card. So if you have an Amazon gift card you would like to use on Amazon, here's how you can do it. Simply go to the Amazon app or website and add whatever items you want to buy using your gift card to your cart. From there, just open up your cart and click on Proceed to Checkout. Then from there, you have your current payment method. But here you can also see Use a gift card, voucher, or promo code. So go ahead and click on that option, and then from there, scroll down. Now here you can see Enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Simply enter whatever code you would like to use right here. This can just be your gift card code and then click Apply. Once you do that, it will be applied to this purchase. If it covers the entire purchase, you won't have to pay anything. If it doesn't, you will still need to pay something using your normal payment method, for example, a credit card. But that is how you can basically use a gift card on Amazon. So now you know how to pay on Amazon with a gift card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.